Hey everybody, Christopher Small here from CMS Law Firm. Wanted to check in with you. This is day 2 of my numerous live videos in a row. It is 11:15 at night. I got my Seahawks hat on because it's late. I tried to fit this in today, but we had too many meetings, will signings, all kinds of crazy stuff. And I didn't want to break the chain on day 2. So here we are. And today I wanted to talk about something that actually came up in a will signing that I did today. And it has to do, and it comes up often, and it has to do with the right, in quotation marks, way to do, distributions of your assets to your family. And this is often sort of a point of contention. It's a point of anxiety. It's a point of nervousness for people because they are worried about what the right thing to do is. They're worried about disappointing their people. They're worried about being fair, also a term that you can put in quotation marks. And they're worried about just doing the right thing in general. And I wanted to hop on here real quick and just sort of give you some food for thought. I definitely will be talking about this more in depth in the future because it comes up so often that there's no way I'm going to be able to get around it. But when it comes to, and let me put this into context. So there was a person, a woman, doesn't really matter, guess what gender they are, that was in my office, and she was doing her estate plan, and she was trying to come up with the way that she wanted to distribute her assets to her family. And she was originally doing it one way, and as we were in the office, she was kind of teetering. She wasn't sure what to do. She was thinking about, well, some people have sort of like been there for me more, and some people haven't, but I kind of want to be fair. And she was just going back and forth. And at the end of the day, this is what I told her. And this is what I believe. I said, look, first things first, there is no right way to do this, right? The only right way is the way that you want to do it. These assets are yours. You have earned them over the course of your life. You don't owe really anybody anything when it comes to the distribution of your assets. Only you know what's right for you. And with that being said, because of that, for that reason, there is no right way to do it except for the way that makes sense for you and your family, right? Except for the way that makes sense for the way that you want things to go down. And that's really easy to talk about in theory, very hard to do in the real world because we have feelings and we have people that we care for, and we don't want to have people angry or hurt, after we're gone. But that's the truth. And if you sit around trying to think about how to please everybody and trying to please everybody, you're going to, A, waste time. B, you're not going to do it right because no one's ever going to always be happy. It's just impossible. That's just fact. When you insert money and family, there seems to always be some sort of a level of conflict. And particularly if this is something that you're considering, it's probably already there, ingrained in some way. And, when you do it this way, you can have the peace of mind of knowing that you made the choice that was right for you and your family. So, like I said, I'll be talking about this more in depth because there's sort of nuances to this and things like that. But all in all, if you're thinking about this, if you're thinking about creating an estate plan, but you're kind of getting held back because you're not sure how you want to do the distributions, and you're not sure how you want to, you're not sure you want to, or you want to make sure that you don't want to hurt feelings, you don't want to cause conflict. Just remember, if you don't do anything, you're not going to get to pick. The state is going to pick how your assets are distributed, and people are still going to be grumpy. So at least take the time and take the opportunity to do it your way. That's the only way to do it. There are no right or wrong answers. There is no fair. There's only what's right for you, and the values and the sort of the way that you want to do things. All right, that's it. Now, really quickly, if you like this video, absent the hat and the bad looks, I can't wait to do more videos to push this one down back in the office in my suit, looking all pretty. But if you like this video, do me a favor, hit the like button. If you know someone that needs to hear this, that's been struggling with this because they're not sure what to do, share it with them. Type their name in the comment or just straight up share it to your page and tell everybody that they need to look, because that's the whole point of this video, right? I'm in estate planning because I love helping people. When I had kids is when I really got into it, and I want to make sure and do everything that I can to help people, families, everyone, pass on their legacy, do the things that they wanted to do, and have things go the way that they wanted them to go. All right, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed this. Like or share, and I'll be here again tomorrow because the chain is not broken yet. We're going to go on for this for basically as long as I can. All right, that's it. Have a great night. See ya.